If you love camping or spending time outdoors, but hate sweating through hot summer nights, this FRIZCOL Rechargeable Camping Fan is an absolute game-changer, packing an ultra-powerful rechargeable battery. This fan delivers a serious cooling breeze that lasts for hours on a single charge. But it's way more than just a fan. It doubles as a high-capacity power bank to charge your smartphone when you're off the grid, and features a built-in bright LED light to illuminate your entire tent or campsite. It's whisper quiet, lightweight, and comes with a built-in hanging hook, making it super easy to set up on a table, hang inside your tent, or take on the go. Whether you're heading out for a weekend camping trip, prepping for sudden power outages, or just relaxing in the backyard, this multifunctional fan is a total must-have. Ready to upgrade your gear? Check out the current price and grab yours today. The directing Amazon link is provided in the video description below.